So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. This is a new method, so make sure to keep on this video. So let's get started. First, all you need to do is go on this repost section. It's below your bio, okay? Now all you need to do is select the video. After that, you need to click on this option right here and remove the post, okay? You can also select this arrow icon and tap on remove repost. Now all you need to do is repeat this option. The other method is to contact the TikTok support, so you come here on these three lines on the up right corner. After that, you are going to select settings and privacy. Now all you need to do is scroll down and tap help center, okay? After that, you need to find the option to chat with support. Now you can submit a request, so explain why you want to delete all your reposts for a cleaner look and provide your contact email. After that, all you need to do is wait, because TikTok support may get back to you in a few days with instructions or offer to help, okay? If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe this video.